online community. These past weeks have been really different, right? And moving to remote work seems like a reality now. But as Darwin once said, it's not the strongest of the species that survive, it's rather the one that is most adaptable to change. I just want to take a few minutes to briefly explain you how our story was moving to remote work and how it took us to be even more productive, improve our communication skills, and make our customers even happier. So, in Apps Implantadores, we are Zoho's premium partner in Spain, and I personally believe that our mission is to keep our customers' business up and running. And for me, as a marketing manager, first thing first, customers. So I must confess I was kind of worried when I heard that I couldn't make any more events for our customers. I was thinking how to keep the relationship close with them. And then a great idea came to my mind. I was kind of inspired by Zoho, and I decided to create an online event to gather all of our customers. It was actually a webinar conducted by one of our experts. In Zoho Showtime, it was really easy to set up the webinar, control the registration process, and even manage the event with more than 100 attendees. After the webinar finished, besides giving training and support to our customers, we got some interesting business opportunities. I don't know, but for me and for now, it seems like a win-win. As I was saying, communication is crucial for the marketing team, and I found in Zoho Campaigns my best partner. For me, I can create a campaign in 1, 2, 3, set up the template, modify it with the message that I want, send A/B test email campaigns to my customers, and now I feel that the communication and the relationship is even closer than ever.